last na lang sa'yo, dear. How comfortable are you na nakikita ka ng audience mo? I saw you nag-post sa social media na nagpo-party and all, ganyan. So, how comfortable are you na your audience is seeing you on a different light? Not necessarily bad, but things na hindi namin nakasanayang makita sa'yo.
Siguro, I'm very open to posting these things kasi gusto kong malaman nila na kailangan ko din mag-enjoy, and siguro nasa tamang edad na din naman ako, as long as hindi ko napapabayaan yung trabaho ko, then go, you can enjoy. And siguro, yeah, gusto ko rin maging parang reminder sa kanila once in a while na more than the endorsements na ipopost and kung ano man sa Instagram ko, once in a while gusto ko nagpo-post about my family, my personal life, and kung paano ako mag-enjoy without, posting too much. So parang nasa akin pag may mood ako, sige, post ko. Sometimes I don't want to post it because I want to keep it private. So yung mga bagay na sinashare ko, it's like a sneak peek of my life and how I balance everything.
Thank you. Congrats.
Thank you.